did a little bit of work. Original triangle ABC, and C is right angle. The attitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, means CD. Two small triangles are formed. Those two triangles and the original triangle similar. How to prove? I prove again. We learned AA is one of the three rules. And triangle ABC, C is right angle. Triangle ACD, D is right angle. One angle, right, one angle, pair. Second angle, angle A, congruent to angle A. Angle C, congruent to angle D. Two angles are congruent by AA. Triangle ACD, triangle ABC are similar. So you can see ACD, ABC are similar. Then smallest triangle CBD, triangle ABC also similar by AA. For instance, angle B is congruent. Angle D, angle C is congruent. So triangle ABC, triangle CBD are similar. ABC, CBD are similar. Those two original ones similar to red ones, original ones similar to this one by transitive, they are similar. So those triangles, three triangles are similar. The most difficult part is write the similarity statement. If you choose ABC, blue triangle must be CBD. If you choose ABC, the red triangle must be ACD. So CBD, ACD is similar. You choose different, for instance, I choose ACB, the different order. The order will determine you can do the question correct or not correct. So the first important. And now we have two examples. So I want to see who is a volunteer, who can solve the question, write a similar statement, means triangle ABC similar to DEF or whatever. Then complete the proportion, find the question mark segments. And I'll give you 1 or 2 or 3 minutes. Who is a volunteer? Raise your hands. So who can finish this question? Who finished? 70%. Okay, 70, you are okay, 70%. So if you cannot do it, it's not your fault, we'll go over, okay, please? Who has some idea, please? Tina.
Triangle DGE similar to triangle.
Just 1 second. Triangle DGE similar to triangle what?
EGF.
Pardon?
EGF.
EGF. Okay, EGF. We double check. DGE. EGF. F and E. Yes. Yeah. So how to check? Angle D is this angle. DGE. EGF. E is this angle. And G is right angle. G, P, DGE, EGF. Yes, EGF. Yes. P, I'm sorry. DGE. Yes, this is right angle. Right angle. So you check 2 angle is enough. Okay, 2 angle is enough. We have a third angle. And the biggest triangle, DEF. Who can give me DEF? Similar 3 triangles. Similar another triangle. DEF, the original triangle. Pina finished. Triangle 1, triangle 2 are similar. Who can give me the original triangle order? Tina. DEF. Yes. D just D. E is right angle. F just D. So it's not easy work, but this one you have to know. My way is we don't need to do this way, but some questions you have to take this way to solve. So if I give you a triangle like this, you have to give me triangle 1, triangle 2, original triangle similar, correct order. Now complete the proportion. Who can do this for us, please? Who else? Only Tina can do that. Tina.
DG over EG equals EG over GM.
Okay, thank you. Okay, how to do this part? DG over EG. I use this way to solve first. This is textbook to solve. DG is this side. EG is this side. Do you understand, please? DG over EG. GF on the top, you can see DG is on the top, EG is on the bottom. So EG should be on the top, and GF should be on the bottom. Do you understand, please? So if you use textbook way, you have to do this way. Complete the portion. You have to write the statement, similarity statement like this. I'll show you again. DG is on the top. EG is on the bottom. For this part, EG is on the top. GF is on the bottom. So this one should be EG. Now I show you my way to solve. Okay, please. First, DG is shorter leg of the small right triangle. EG is longer leg of the small triangle, smallest triangle. So left side is shorter leg over longer leg because this is the hypotenuse. Now on the right side, GF is longer leg on the bottom. Are you okay? You set it over there. GF, you can see, shorter leg over longer leg. GF is longer leg. Shorter leg is GE. Again, shorter leg over longer leg. For this triangle, shorter leg over longer leg. Perfect. First triangle, shorter leg over longer leg. Second triangle, shorter leg over longer leg. You just finished. You understand me or not? Again, smallest triangle, triangle 1. DG over EG is a shorter leg over longer leg. For this triangle, triangle 2, shorter leg over longer leg. Shorter over longer. Finished. Second question, who can use my way to solve? Yes, if you want to use the way of the textbook, it's fine. But if you can use whatever ways, tell me. Question mark. Segment. Yes. NQ. Thank you. This is very smart. Okay. From your answer, I know Miss Guzman got it. You don't answer my question. Maybe you got. Maybe you don't get. At MQ for the biggest triangle, longer leg. PQ, shorter leg. Left side is longer side over shorter leg. Right side must be longer over shorter. MN for the triangle 2. MN is longer leg. NQ is a shorter leg. You understand me, please? Yes? Good. 4 more questions. We have so many questions. But if you really understand those 2 plus 4 questions, you are good enough. You are good enough. Okay, please? Number 1 for this question, who is a volunteer? I hope different students answer my question. Okay, please? Who is a volunteer to number 1 for this question, please? Okay, if you made a mistake, you're also smart. Just you don't get this question at this moment. But if you made a mistake, last period, one student made a mistake. Then he finished those 3 perfect. First question, he made a mistake. Then he finished the perfect. Who is a volunteer? Yes, Austin.
For the first one, 6 over n equals n over 9.
Perfect. Third student get it perfect. Okay? From your answer, you got it. You can see small triangle, shorter side over longer side. For this triangle, shorter side over longer side. Cross multiplication, n equals to 6 times 9. Do you remember 7.1? We learned geometric mean. Geometric mean for this particular question, this situation. If this is hypotenuse height or altitude, divided the hypotenuse to A and B, two parts, the n equals to square root of AB. We say the hypotenuse height is a geometric mean of the height divided the hypotenuse to two parts. For instance, this question 6 times 9 square root. So n is there. This is only a formula I suggest you try to remember. Why? Any quiz, test, exam, this question is the first one must be tested. Second, geometric mean is a very powerful tool. We will use very often. So those other questions, yes, there is a formula, but nobody can remember. I cannot remember. At least 15 something. So this question, I hope you remember. N equals square root of AB. You can use this one to solve some quadratic or algebra questions. So this is really good, okay? Second question, who can solve second for me? Similar question. Don't be scared, okay? I told you those questions are hard. No question for the textbook is hard, okay? Those questions, you need some foundation. You need some know-how. Yes, please. M over 12
equals 12 over 36.
12 over what?
36.
Yes. Thank you so much. You got it. I promise, quiz test, you will be fine. Okay, please? If you continue to assignment, okay, please? M is a shorter leg of the small triangle. 12 is hypotenuse. M over 12 is shorter leg over hypotenuse. For the biggest triangle, 12 is shorter leg, 36 is hypotenuse. You can see 12, 36, reduce, m equals to 4. So if you can reduce, you can finish so quick, don't cross multiplication. But this is not important. The important is how to get this, how to set up for instance, m over 12, I use shorter leg over hypotenuse. This side should be shorter legs, 12, hypotenuse 36. How to set up the equations proportion? That's first important. Number 3. Yes?
Is it y minus 1 over y plus 1 equals y plus 1 over y minus 1 plus 2y?
Thank you so much. This question, quiz, test, must be there, okay? Similar question, something like this, okay, please? Thank you. Y minus 1 is shorter leg. Y plus 1 is hypotenuse. Yes? Y plus 1 is hypotenuse for the biggest. Y minus 1 plus 2y is hypotenuse. Nobody has any problem if you follow my way. Okay, please? Last question. Who is what? If you don't try, you have no more opportunity. Okay, please? I know you understand. Last question, because two sides almost close. Which one is longer? I will show you one way, but some students finish perfect. To be honest, I have to use my way, change a little bit to solve, make sure answer is correct. But I will show you. Okay, who is volunteer? Try to last question. 2a minus 4. This a plus 4 is 8. Yes. A over 2a minus 4 equals to a plus 4. A over 2. But I don't know you are correct or not correct. Okay, please? Yes?
Would it be a plus 4?
A plus 4.
Over 2a minus 4 is equal to 2a minus 4 over 2a plus 4.
2a plus 4 is this side over this side, right? Thank you. This is correct. I show you my way how to solve. Okay, look at the board, please. I don't know which one is shorter leg, longer leg, because very close. I change the question a little bit like this. This side is 2a minus 4. This side is a plus 4. This side is a. Do you understand, please? Why I change the shape? Because this shape, shorter leg, longer leg, is very clear. Now, 2a minus 4 is longer leg. This is the hypotenuse. And this is 2a minus 4 is hypotenuse over longer leg. This is longer leg. This is hypotenuse. Yes, okay? Now you can see 2a minus 4 is the longer leg. A plus 4 plus a is 2a plus 4 is hypotenuse. 2a minus 4 is longer leg. Is that correct? Now, for the triangle 2, this triangle, a plus 4 is longer leg. 2a minus 4 is hypotenuse. 2a minus plus 4, 2a minus 4. Yes, exactly the same thing. Thank you so much. You can see, if you change a little bit, shorter leg, longer leg, hypotenuse is very clear. If you don't change, sometimes maybe confused. Thank you so much. Okay, please. Those 4 questions, do you have any problem to understand or you are confused? If you are confused, maybe your neighbor can help you. Maybe you ask me, I go over again. You have to know this part. Otherwise, chapter 7 quiz, chapter 7 test, no way. Maybe final exam, just 1 or 2 questions there. But chapter 4 quiz test, 10 points, 15 points, something. Do you understand, please? So now, if you have a question, I answer. I go over. You want me to go over any question, I go over again. If you don't have any questions, open your book, do assignment. Some students already know the stuff.